Changing lives as we go. That's my only trophy to show.
Hello, guys. A B School in Mumbai, India offers a unique program that creates leaders that are relevant across the globe. Let's talk about a very interesting program that is designed to groom students for the global challenges in management field. Today, I have with me Ms. Dipali Matpal Vasant, who is a senior program associate at SPJN Institute of Management and Research, which is a premier B school based in India. Let us know more about the program profile of the Global Management Program, or simply as they say, the GMP. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's the lady herself, who is the life and blood of the program. So, Ms. Dipali, first of all, thank you for joining me for the interview. Congrats for such an amazing program, which you have carried with so much grace.
Thank you so much, Aziz, and thank you for the wonderful introduction. I'll just take you through the journey of GMP a little bit. How you mentioned that SPJMR is a premium brand in India. So yes, we are number 3 in India, and the FT ranking has given us the 36th place this year, and we're very, very proud of it. So GMP program started around in 2010 from a European Union grant. The whole idea was to develop a workforce that was eligible and was perfect to work in India as well as in Germany. And it's very proud moment that a lot of students who did internships in Germany had actually later come and head the company. When the company started operations in India, they actually took it over. So the idea has been successful, and we have over the years grown from strength to strength. We've got 3 partner schools in Europe. So we work with the European Business School in Germany. We work with ESSEG in France, and we have a partner school, Nairobi Business School in Netherlands. And in US, we have 4 partners. We have Brandeis Business School in Boston. We have Stevens Business School in New Jersey. We have Robert H. Smith School of Business, which is in College Park. And we have USC Marshall.
So wow, I mean, Ms. Dipali, so basically the program started as an idea, and now it's, as you said, it's just growing phenomenally. So
yes.
What is the purpose of the program? Like, what's the basic idea behind the program?
So as I mentioned, that SPJMR is amongst the top brand, and we have a 2-year program called PGDM, which is, we have a lot of alumni. The program was doing very well, but the institute was looking at the global footprint to increase that. And as I have mentioned, that we started a partnership. So a lot of exchange happens between the 2-year program and the SPJMR students and a lot of different colleges. That's how we got all these partners. And yes, I must say that the purpose we've been successful, and we do have alumni all over the world.
So talking about the eligibility criteria, so who is eligible? I mean, is there any eligibility criteria to join this amazing program? Like, who can join?
Yes, definitely. So any person who's a graduate can join it, because it's a postgraduate program. And you need to have, so there are 2 entrance exams in India called CAT and ZAT. So we accept those scores. We accept a GMAT or a GRE also. So any one of these out of the 4. And also our partner schools, since the students go through SPJMR, they kind of give a waiver for the IELTS and a TOEFL. So you just need to have any of those exams, and that's about it. And then, of course, we have the interview. You fill the form, you have an interview round with SPJMR, you have the interview round with the partner school. And once you are done with those, you're through, you're on board.
So it's launch pad to the global scene, right?
Yes.
So how is the program relevant for the greater global audience? Like, as you mentioned about the alumni, right? Where are the alumni of the program based? What have they accomplished? Can we talk about that, Ms. Dipali?
Sure. So before talking about the alumni, I'll just tell you about a little structure of the program, how it works. Maybe that will give you a little more idea. So the first 6 months, every student, irrespective of the school they are going to. So we have 2 cohorts, 2 intakes a year. One is in January. The students start with us in January, and the others in June. So the January intake is more focused towards the US partner schools, whereas the June is for European. So irrespective of the school you join, the first 6 months, you will be studying here at SPJIMR, where we expose you to marketing, finance, operations, strategy, the basics of management. So it's like kind of a compressed into 6 months, but we kind of give them the overview. Say suppose you joined a program, you want to go to partner school and study finance, right? You may not maybe you may are not as much exposed to marketing or operations, but when you start your internship, though it's basically towards finance, but there could be some aspects of marketing or operations that could come handy. So that's what really helps the students when they are in SPJMR. And then they go, after completing the 6 months, they go to the partner school and complete their education there. So another question you'd ask me is, why would anybody go through us?
Yes. That was my next question, actually.
Yes. So the reason being, the brand name of SPJIMR in India, and second, the partner schools, the kind of financial, the ROI, what they call in India, is huge because of very, very nominal fees that the partner schools charge through GMP. Then the student who studied done this program would get a GMP certificate and a degree from the partner school.
Okay, so 2 degrees, right?
Yes. So it's kind of a dual certification. One from SPJMR. We can't give a degree because we're not a university, but we give a certificate for the 6 months here, and then they get a degree from the partner school. And as well as that, they get to be alumni of both the schools.
So
yes,
do the students choose the partner school in advance?
Yes. So when you fill the form, you're given a choice to apply for 2 partner schools. You could apply to different programs in the same school, but you can select 2 schools. And depending on your choice and the partner school selection, we would make that offer to you.
Perfect.
And another thing that I would like to add is that GMP is just it's a young program still. We have around 500 alumni, so they were very close knit. The alumni guide the aspirants from helping in selecting the school to kind of deciding which course they should take. Then once they are in the course, then the visa process and looking for internships, looking for a housing. Sorry, before that, housing is a big issue. Looking for a house where to stay. Then once they are moving from India, so what all to carry along, like eatables, utensils, clothes.
Yeah, I know that.
Yes. Once they reach there, they tell them, okay, where you can get your groceries at an economic rate and good quality and all that stuff.
More about that, it's like a cultural shift as well, right? So you need a help, right? I can personally say that. So as you touched on alumni, right? So where are the alumni of the program based? Like, of course, there are so many career options after doing the global management program, but can you just touch upon the alumni base and what they have accomplished after the program?
So in these years, like if I'd say alumni who graduated in 2011, those guys are placed at really, really good organizations. So we have alumnus in World Bank headquarters. We have Divya working for Apple headquarters. We've got Deepak, who's a partner at Alira Healthcare. Then in Canada, you won't believe, alumni from ESSEC, they were working with Decathlon in Lille, and from there they moved to Canada to start the e-commerce business for Decathlon.
Okay.
So anything that's coming to you from Decathlon, our alumni are playing some part in it, because one of them is the finance controller there, and the other is the e-commerce product and operations leader kind of a thing.
So are there any stories of the global management program, something like that?
Yes, so it's very exciting how I mentioned that alumni are there in Canada handling the e-commerce. They actually met in Lille. They are from like 2 batches, senior, junior, and then now they're married. So we, jokingly call ourselves as the global marriage program as well.
So you your match life partners as well, and career, yes. Life relationships. I mean, it's a whole package in itself. Wow. Who would not want to join the program, right?
Yes, that's sure. So if you've got anybody, they can always get in touch with me.
Yeah. So basically, the global management programs trains Indian young minds for global challenges. Is that the program in nutshell, right?
Yes.
And
so the whole idea is that SPJMR believes in value-based growth. So idea is that if you're taking any decision at all, you have to always think of the people, because your one decision is going to affect a person and his family. So you know, there are a lot of people. Your one decision could make life very good or very difficult for people. So that's what the value based growth they get here, and then they learn from the efficiency of the
Yeah,
Eastern
so
world.
that has been the motto of the institute, right? To combine
Yes.
the Eastern ethos with the Western efficiency, right? And it also
Efficiency,
reflects
yes.
in the GMP program, right?
Yes.
And talking about the future of the program, so where do you see the program in next 5 years? Will it spread across all the 5 continents? How is it going
Yes,
to
I'm
pan out?
sure. Aziz, if you see, Indians are all over. You know, any big name you take, the CEO is some way or the other having some Indian connection. So yes, I see a lot of our alumni heading and taking up the challenges in very big
Yeah.
brand names and all over the.
So yeah, so people ask what's so special in Indians that they lead management positions. So you can say that the GMP helped them, right? In some
Yes.
ways. Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
but I would give that credit that whatever said and done, they are very hardworking people
Yeah,
and
yeah, definitely.
adaptive. So if they you take a responsibility, and you know what happens is also the culture, the way you are brought up, if you so that and then the efficiency that they learn there, a combination is, I think, lethal, and it's helping.
But you need a launch pad, and I think the program, the global management program, just gives them that platform, right?
Yes, Aziz. So I think it's not only about the program, because see, all these colleges, of course, have admissions open directly. People can join them. It's a support system that comes along with
Correct.
GMP,
Mhm.
right?
The
So how you said that,
ecosystem.
you know, when you moved, it was a cultural shock, and you know, people from here. So when they go in groups of 4 or 5, and they're staying together. So if maybe one person is good at cooking, so the other person is, like, you know, helping out in other chores. So this helps them settle, and then the same goes for studies. You might be good in one thing, I'm good at another thing, so we help out each other.
Yeah.
So our alumni have actually, like, you know, not only referred the students for the positions of interns, they've also, like, you kind of help them build the CV, write a cover letter,
Yeah, yeah.
done a mock interview.
Yes, yes.
So
And
I
references definitely are a big thing here. Yeah, that's a
yes,
big
it
thing. Yeah.
definitely works, because if you're we've got a few organizations like Airbus is there, Bosch is there, who want interns only from the GMP and the, like, you know, from the
I'm
joint
sure.
programs.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, definitely.
So that makes us really proud.
Yeah, definitely. You should be Dipali, Ms. Dipali. So thank you, Ms. Dipali. As I said last time, the GMP will continue to grow. May the sun never set on your program. And now you should go universal, just from global, like universal management program. So any final thoughts on the program profile?
Thank you so much for having me over. It was really nice talking to you, and I really wish you also a lot of success.
Thank you. It was great to have you on the show, Ms. Dipali. See you next time.
Thank you, Aziz.
Turn
Bye bye.
scars into stars. 'Cause I'm SBJIMRSB, SBJIMRSB.